Okay, let's do another boat crossing river problem. This is example 3 from that sheet that I gave you. A boat with a velocity in still water, right? That's a town in Minnesota, by the way. It's 2.89 points straight across. This is a very convoluted way of saying if we point the thing across the river, this is the speed of the boat, 2.89 meters per second, right? Let's see, the current is 1.12, so that's the downstream velocity, right? And then in doing this, it's carried downstream a distance of 75.1 meters, so that's this guy. Okay, so now this is just the opposite of the one we did in the previous problem, right? So we're going to go this way, right? I'm going to find the time by going 75.1 divided by 1.12. And the formula I'm using is just this triangle, right? X, V, T, like this, right? So T is just X divided by V. So 75.1 divided by 1.12. And I got 67.05 seconds. Write down 4 numbers, the most important 4, right? And then there we go, 67.05 seconds, right? And now we're going to multiply that. So times 2.89, 193.878, 193.8. Okay, so let's see what we've answered, right? What time does it take to cross? 67.1 seconds. That's this, right? 194 meters is how far it goes. Or no, how wide the river is. Duh. How wide the river is this, right? Okay, and now we've got to do this, right? We've got to take these velocities and make them into a vector, right? So let's see. We've got 2.89 across, 1.12 down. So that's 1.12. Whoops, 2.89. Okay, a little bit brain dead today. Okay, so there we go. Now we just want to find the speed, which is the hypotenuse, and we want to find the angle. Okay, so we can do that, right? The speed is going to be the square root of 2.89 squared plus 1.12 squared. We're using the Pythagorean theorem there is what we're doing. Didn't really explain that, did I? 2.89 squared plus 1.12 squared, 3.099, right? Which would be, strangely, if we had to round that to 3 numbers, that would be 3.10. Okay, so that's the speed of it, and then that angle theta, if that was theta, right, would be the inverse tangent of 1.12 over 2.89. So let's do that. Second tangent, 1.12 divided by 2.89. 21.18. So 21.2 degrees. Okay, so there is our answer, right? 3.10 meters per second at an angle 21.2 degrees downstream of straight across. You need to draw this picture. You need to have arrows on this, right? These need to be arrows. You need to label which angle you found, or, you need to find the hypotenuse. But it's not so hard. I think we can do this.